The holidays are coming up soon, and you're probably in full production mode for client work and making gifts for friends and family. You have tons of great ideas, limited time to do them, and trying to source all the materials that you need for your projects. This season, one of the most popular ideas for gifts and for clients is making custom tumblers. And they're great. You can buy them just about anywhere. But the problem is that whenever you buy them from a store, you're paying the retail markup price. Not only that, but you have a limited selection and you have to contend with the company logos that are already on the tumblers. Here's where Craft Express comes in. They have tons of different tumbler styles. Without logos, they're all blank, great quality, and for a great price. Craft Express sent me out several different styles of their tumblers to test out and engrave. And I'm going to show them off right now. Craft Express sent me out 3 different types of tumblers to test on. They sent me out this wine tumbler that has a nice lid with a rubber gasket that when closed is watertight, no water will fall out, or wine for that matter. We don't want spilt wine. They also sent me out a few of these leather wrapped coffee tumblers, and I'll be engraving some stuff on the leather here. And they also sent me out a few of the skinny sublimation tumblers right here. Quick correction, this is a white powder coated tumbler for laser engraving, not sublimation. Back to the show. And the skinny tumblers also come with a steel straw. That way if you don't want to be kicking this back, you can just use the straw and it covers the entire length of the tumbler right here. To engrave the tumblers, I'm going to be using my RA2 from Xtool. This is a new rotary engraver that I got. I'll be doing a full video on this. And this rotary engraver is going to be perfect for engraving things that are not perfectly cylindrical like these wine tumblers. So the engravings are all finished. Most of the engravings took about 10 minutes based on the size that I chose to do for each of the tumblers. And that's mainly because I wanted the image that you put on the tumbler to be seen basically with one side, not having to turn it to see the entire thing. So the leather wrap tumbler came out really good. In fact, it surprised me a little bit because with the right setting, the engraving kind of looks almost gold in nature. Once again, once you get these, make sure you have one that you can test with to figure out the right settings for your laser, since every laser and setup is going to be just a little bit different. With the wine tumblers, I used this one as my test and ran it a couple different styles, and you can see the different effects you could get on this tumbler. Here's an additional wine tumbler that I did for a client, and that came out pretty good too. And then for the sublimation tumblers, I did my family crest on this one. In fact, this will probably be a gift for a family member at Christmas. And probably my favorite design that I did of this bunch is this one right here, kind of the 8-bit power-ups. So this was just supposed to be a quick video demonstrating some of the materials from Craft Express. If you're in the market for looking for a source of materials, go ahead and check them out. They have 10 different styles of tumblers to choose from, everything from silicone wrapped, leather wrapped, sublimation, wine tumblers, and a lot of different powder coated options. And they all engrave really well. And if you'd like to learn more about their offerings, go ahead and check down in the description. I have a link to their website there. Thank you for making it this far in the video. It means a lot that you've watched to this part. Go ahead and check out our back catalog. We have a lot of other videos that you might like and enjoy. If you want to continue helping the channel, aside from your reviews, we also have a Patreon. If you're in the position to help out that way, and with our patrons, we have discounts in the store, plans, and other items will be coming up, especially for the holidays. I want to thank you once again. I'll see you all in the next video.